A time when you had to go to a hospital or see a doctor. Describe a time when you had to go to a hospital or see a doctor. You should say, what was the problem? When did it happen? How did you feel about it? Sample 1. Well, anyone does not like to go to a hospital and see a doctor, but sometimes we have to see a doctor. Here, I would like to talk about a time when I had to go to the hospital. I recently had visited a doctor. Dr. Johann, one locality doctor. I had suffered from fever, headache and continuous sneezing. I had to go. I did not want to go, but I had to go. I visited the hospital and waited for 20 minutes outside Dr. Johann's chamber. Finally, I went into the chamber. Dr. Johann had checked up my body temperature and infection in my throat. Then, he said to me that it was just normal viral infection due to changes of season. He took his prescription pad and wrote some medicine. After it, he recommended me that do not drink cold water, cold beverages, and fried food as well as spicy also. I asked him how long I might be healed, then he just little smiled. He told me for rest as well as visit for a checkup after 3 days. I had felt very good and comfortable. Then, I visited the hospital after 3 days and I was normal. So, I started a connection on my daily works without heavy head and fever. Sample 2. Well, I do not like to go to the hospital to have medicines for just little ailments such as headache, mouth swelling and so on. Because I like to heal such diseases with the help of home remedies. But at times, I have to take medicine when the problem becomes big. And here I would like to talk about a situation when I had medicine. I explain it briefly. About 2 months ago, I was playing with my sister in my alley. Their other boys were playing football in the open place in front of my house. They were speaking loudly with joy. Suddenly a car came into my alley but blew no horn. Because it is prohibited there to blow the horn. I did not know when it came because it was very fast. That car hit me. I fall down on the earth. I was screaming with pain. My mother took me to my locality's doctor named Dr. Preet. The doctor checked me up and prescribed some medicines for me. I had a wound on my left elbow as well as a joint problem in my left foot. Dr. Preet advised me to take rest for a week. So, at that time, I had been taking medicines as well as taking the rest in my bedroom. On that time, I was unable to go to college. So, I spent that time with my mother. All in all, that time was very difficult for me, but my mother made it beneficial for me because we both shared many things with each other and loved each other. So, that was the time when I had to go to the hospital to see a doctor. Please like this video and subscribe Target 7 channel. Thank you.